Welcome to Unlock the World, your ultimate travel guide, where every trip transforms into an adventure.
Hello, fellow travelers. Are you dreaming of a getaway? I know I am. Let's talk about the ultimate vacation sun, sand, and ocean bliss. Imagine warm sunshine on your skin. Picture yourself strolling along white sand beaches. Hear the gentle waves crashing against the shore. These are the makings of a perfect tropical escape. And who doesn't deserve a little slice of paradise? So, let's dive into the world of dream vacations and discover how to make them a reality. Life can get pretty hectic, right? We're constantly on the go, juggling work, family, and everything in between. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and forget to take care of ourselves. That's why taking breaks is so important. Vacations aren't just about getting away. They're about recharging and rejuvenating. When we allow ourselves to relax and de-stress, we return home feeling refreshed and energized. Remember, taking care of your well-being is essential. A little escape can do wonders for your mind, body, and soul. Let's talk about the ideal tropical paradise. Close your eyes and imagine this. You wake up to the sound of gentle waves. Step outside your overwater bungalow onto your private deck. The turquoise water sparkles under the bright sun. Spend your days swimming, snorkeling, or simply lounging on the beach. Read a book, sip on a tropical drink, and let all your worries melt away. In the evenings, indulge in delicious seafood dinners as you watch the sunset over the water. Pure magic, right? That's the beauty of a tropical escape. Section 4. Tropical Dreams, Bali, Maldives, and the Caribbean. Now let's explore some specific destinations that embody this tropical paradise dream. First up we have Bali, the island of the gods. Bali offers stunning beaches, lush rice paddies, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine. From surfing in Kuta to exploring ancient temples in Ubud, Bali has something for everyone. Next, we have the Maldives, a collection of breathtaking atolls in the Indian Ocean. Picture luxurious overwater bungalows, pristine beaches, and unparalleled snorkeling and diving opportunities. And of course, we can't forget about the Caribbean. With its diverse islands, each offering its own unique charm, the Caribbean is a classic choice for a tropical getaway. Whether you prefer the laid-back vibes of Jamaica, the stunning beaches of Turks and Caicos, or the rich history of Puerto Rico, the Caribbean has something for everyone. Section 5. Making dreams a reality. Planning your escape. Dreaming of a tropical escape is one thing, but making it a reality requires planning and budgeting. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Start by setting a budget. Determine how much you can realistically spend on flights, accommodation, activities, and food. Remember, there are options for every budget. Next, choose your destination. Consider what's important to you. Do you prefer a relaxing beach vacation or an adventure-filled trip? Once you've chosen your destination, research flights and accommodation. Look for deals and consider traveling during the shoulder season, spring or fall, for better prices. Finally, start saving. Set aside a little money each month until you reach your goal. Remember, planning a dream vacation is part of the fun. The anticipation and excitement leading up to your trip are all part of the experience. Section 6. Your paradise awaits. So there you have it. The allure of tropical paradises is undeniable. The sun, the sand, the ocean. It's the perfect recipe for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're dreaming of Bali, the Maldives, the Caribbean, or another tropical destination, remember that taking a break from our busy lives is essential for our well-being. Start planning your dream vacation today. Embrace the opportunity to escape to paradise, recharge, and create unforgettable memories. Your perfect getaway awaits. Happy travels.